What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. Step 6. So yeah, if you're a sweaty girl like me, or just somebody who needs that extra protection for whatever makeup journey you're on today, I highly advise using the Prosaide cream adhesive, and I'll show you what I have found to be the best method for applying it. This is something that I go to basically in the summer months doing drag in Georgia. You could honestly jump in a pool and your eyebrows would still be laid down. Okay, so you need a couple different things to use this properly, and I've seen people do it different ways. My trusty go-to is this Krylon spatula. You can use it for a bunch of different things, like mixing foundation colors. It comes with a tray. You can mix lipstick colors. Basically like a Bob Ross tool of makeup. However, it's perfect for applying Prosaide. All you have to do is get a little bit on the end, thin layer, and I just kind of dab it on like this. I bounce it on just to lightly encourage it to get on these hairs. And you do have to work a little fast for this one because this dries so fast. And now I'm just pushing it against the hair, coating it lightly and gently, just pushing those hairs up. Then you take a children's toothbrush. We take it and we kind of rake the hair. I'm using it at an angle, and I'm just pushing these against my head, and this is drying super fast. So really encourage them. Now I'm gonna take a little bit more of that product, just like a tiny splash, and fill in some of the areas where I think it didn't get on as well. And that's it. That's all you gotta do.